So my Macintosh SE that I got for $75 from someone on Craigslist, it came with a binder full of discs that we've determined have come from Drexel University, and they were basically given to somebody in California by Apple to take to Drexel University before the launch of the Macintosh. They are filled with all kinds of prototype software, stuff that was not available anywhere on the internet, and I'm going to demonstrate one of the discs if it'll work. The disk drive seems like it might be failing, but basically, let's just get to it.
In the olden days, before 1984, not very many people used computers, for a very good reason. Not very many people knew how, and not very many people wanted to learn. After all, in those days, it meant listening to your stomach growl while sitting through computer seminars, falling asleep over computer manuals, and staying awake nights memorizing commands so complicated, you'd have to be a computer to understand them. Then on a particularly bright day in Cupertino, California, some particularly bright engineers have a particularly bright idea. Since computers are so smart, wouldn't it make more sense to teach computers about people instead of teaching people about computers? So it was that those very engineers worked long days and nights, and a few legal holidays, teaching tiny silicon tips about people. How they make mistakes and change their minds. How they refer to file folders and save old phone numbers. How they labor for their livelihoods and doodle in their spare time. For the first time in recorded computer history, hardware engineers actually talked to software engineers in moderate tones of voice. And both were united by a common goal. To build the most powerful, most transportable, most flexible, most versatile computer that not very much money could buy. And when the engineers were finally finished, they introduced us to a personal computer so personable it can practically shake hands. And so easy to use that most people already know how. They didn't call it the QC190 or the ZipTip 5000, they called it Macintosh. And now we'd like to introduce it to you.
Well, that's about it. I did archive every single one of these discs. I ripped them using my floppy emu, and I uploaded them for posterity's sake and preservation's sake, since the discs are all from 1983 and they're failing. Uploaded them to Macintosh Garden, I believe it's .org, and they're available. The disc images are available on there. So yeah.